What's going on, YouTube? Murderkiss back here, bringing you guys a video on my E90 328xi. It's gonna give you guys a visual inspection of the area. Very icy right now. I believe there's a ice storm or something like that, where there's just like icy rain and stuff like that. Let me check my phone. Let me see something. Ice storm warning. Oh, it went away. Anyways, it's 27 degrees. It's cold out in the bergs. And I'm gonna be happy to show you guys a 328xi video. So, guys, before I get in the car, let me just flex on with the halo rings. I need everyone that's watching this to please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and comment down below what you want to see with the E90. I'm a 20-year-old adult person, and I need as much support as I can get online to continue my YouTube channel. So it is keyless entry in this car. I'm gonna put it up once. As you can see, the headlights actually adjust. Ooh. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that, but it's gonna cold start it. I love that. Inline 6. Ooh. So as you can see, guys, it is icy out. Just from, I can't even roll my window down like I was trying to show you guys. But this is going to be a video of me getting gas and just talking about life, and we're going to have a great time. So my back is actually pretty fogged. Let me change that. I'm going to let the car warm up. But man, guys, this car has been so fun to drive, such a pleasure to own. Knock on, I think it's real wood. Let me play some music. I have an AirPod in my right ear, so I'm gonna listen to some music. Just gonna put it on shuffle. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, I'm just gonna let the car warm up and we're gonna get off. But this is the X-Drive model. This is a 2008 E90 328xi. It is so sweet to drive. I keep saying that, but I mean, I wish I could give you guys like have all my viewers in the passenger seat with me to feel it, or actually to just drive it too. If you're thinking of buying one, I highly recommend it. I got such a great deal on this one. $3,500 I spent for it, but alright, guys, we're back. The windshield is a bit better condition than when I was videoing it in the beginning. So the only thing with this car, there's no rear view camera. I don't know, I guess with the iDrive system, this also doesn't have iDrive as well, but without the iDrive system, I don't think it came with backup cameras, but I can aftermarket install a rear view camera, which I might look into doing. But as you can see, guys, it is super icy out. But the best thing about this car, I think, is 3,500 pounds. And so what that means is there's some weight to it. It's not like a light little car. It is on the smaller side in terms of size, but it is definitely capable of handling this ice storm for sure. Not many cars can do it. I was driving the Prius, actually. I'm gonna do a POV on that car soon. Just because I actually miss driving the Prius a little bit. So smooth. It's not fast and it doesn't look flashy, but A to B wise, that car is awesome. And makes you appreciate the things like gas economy. I think I fill this thing up every like 2 to 3 days. and I fill it up like not all the way, but like $20 to $30 every time, and so it's like $60 a week to drive this thing. But you know, it's like a video game. It's like buying a video game at GameStop, but you know, the fun you get and just like the feeling of driving and stuff is so incredible in this car. It's definitely worth. So smooth right now. It feels like we're on ice skates. The suspension's so like well built in this car. It's very low to the ground, but yet so like it's still very comfortable. Like I don't know how to explain it. I haven't driven a hypercar, anything of that nature, but you get that like planted feeling of just a sports car, but you still have that comfort, kind of some luxury. Everyone yields to you in this car, which is another awesome factor. Like I never worry about, like, usually like 9 times out of 10 no one's gonna really pull out, but if I was in the Prius, I swear, man, I don't know what it is, people just pull out anyways. Like, they just don't care. But when I'm in the BMW, like, they yield to me. It's hilarious. But I'm just enjoying life, guys, making these videos. I'm grinding DoorDash. Just being a 20-year-old, I guess. I'm going to the gym every day. I'm gonna start posting some gym vlogs. I really enjoy getting my exercise on. I've gained since my journey, since I've gotten really committed. I want to say like back in September of last year. I've been going almost every day, either playing basketball or lifting. But I went from 150 to 165, so I gained 15 pounds of muscle, all muscle, bro. I'm not there's no fat on me, really. I mean, there is some fat, but I mean, I'm pretty muscular. I'll post like I said, I'll post a video on that soon. You guys can see more of what I do. But like I said, guys, back to driving. This thing is just so sweet, man. Like, oh my goodness, it's so sweet. It's like candy. It's like having like a piece of candy. Like, I don't know, like which one, like a Snickers or something, I don't know. Okay, so this window does not want to go down. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. I don't want to break it. This car is very like delicate in that sense. You don't want to force anything, or else, because you don't know what you can break. And like I said, parts are kind of expensive in this car, but the labor to do any kind of work maintenance wise is just atrocious for this car. I just DIY'd my oil change. I'm gonna do another video on that on the next oil change I do. I'm gonna do a really detailed video on that, and where the jack points are. At least on the X-Drive model, I don't see, most of the E90s I see are just the rear-wheel drive versions, but this is the X-Drive, so it has the all-wheel drive system installed. So I don't know what the difference is really between either one. I just know that oh, I was gonna drop a couple gears and make that light. Another thing in this car, you're always gonna make the light, no matter what, basically, man. It's insane. Like like, see that light up there? I'm pointing with my finger, like I'm coming up to it. Like, I'm gonna drop a couple gears. 4th gear, I'm gone, bro. I'm literally like, I'm gone. And that was just a quarter throttle. Like, that wasn't even, like I said, I'm posting this on YouTube, and I want to be, you know, like, monetized and able to make an income off this business model, and I really enjoy doing it. But, you know, I'm not gonna put anything dangerous out there. But yeah, guys, BMW, man, just buy one, drive it, test drive one. Honestly, I wouldn't mind going to a used car dealership and test driving it, pull up in mine and see, like, you know, it's awesome, guys. Like, I'm not trying to be like snobby or anything, but like, the image of driving a BMW, like, people look at you different, and like, it's just crazy to me. Because when I had a Prius, guys, I was like a 19-year-old male driving a Prius. Like, I'm so humble about this stuff, but that's just one thing I've noticed. And you know, and to any like young adult males out there, just keep grinding and stay on your purpose, and whatever that may be. You know, everyone has a different path in life, but I'm dropping bombs out here, boys. But yeah, and I just enjoy driving cars in general. I mean, I'm a car enthusiast, if you not can tell from my channel and like just me talking, but I'm definitely a car enthusiast, and I love every second of being able to drive. It's definitely a passion of mine. So yeah, guys, too many red lights right now, but I hope you're enjoying at least my commentary. That's the least I can do. I'm just trying to brighten everyone's day. But like I said, if you have not and you're still watching, thank you for watching. I am so grateful for my community that I have on YouTube. Shout out every single one. Comment down below. I want to get to know like the people watching this. Like, I want to say what's up. Comment down below. I'll definitely reply and like your comments. But like I said, I'm just out here trying to grind the YouTube, and hopefully I can get to my goal is legit 100,000 subscribers by December of 2021. I have 2,000 right now, and I know I can get more and more and more. But I'm just focused on the present. So I'm gonna keep making these POV videos. I really enjoy making these driving videos. And I'm gonna throw the Prius in there too, to any of the people that were watching my Prius content. I'm definitely gonna continue that. I just need to do it. Let me see what I'm doing on time. So I don't want to make this video too long. Let me charge my phone, man. I messed up. I should have charged my phone earlier. 7%, we're good. But yeah, guys, it's just been such an amazing car to be able to own and drive. I've loved every single second. I'm gonna do a video on the sport mode and compared to the regular drive mode. I just discovered if I shift it, let me put on a light. If I shift the knob to the left, it goes into DS, which is the automatic sport mode. You're not gonna change the gears. But if I leave it in DS and I use the paddles, it's not gonna switch back to drive. So it's a really cool feature that I like. I just shifted it back to regular drive. I'm gonna turn the light off, but yeah, guys, it's been such a pleasure to drive. There is a windshield wiper leak. Let me show you. Look on the dash right here. This is how you can see if there's anything wrong. Yep, check control. Hey, it's gonna tell you need gas. Oh, the windshield wiper air is not there, but it says there's low windshield wiper fluid sometimes. And I think there's a leak in there I might have to fix. I might do a video on that. I've been doing a lot of research on the E90, and I really love this platform too. It's such a amazing platform to work on and drive too, the E90. It's definitely gonna go down in my history when I'm older. I'm gonna be like, that BMW 328 Xi, man. I think this has like 230 horsepower. And there's no turbo. It's knock on wood, it's a pretty reliable engine. I mean, I've gone hard on it too, and it's handled it super well. And just the freaking turning too, guys. I wish I could give you the feeling, but like if you're taking a turn at like 80 or 90, I'm just saying, like on a track or something. I was on a track, but I was going like 80, 90, almost 100. I mean, just the amount of turning you can do in this car it's unreal, literally unreal. You could be on like the right lane of a highway and get to the left lane in just one like easy swoop, and you're not gonna lose any control. Like, you're gonna feel control the entire time, which is insane to me. Can't do that in the Prius. If you did that in the Prius, you'd crash. But this is definitely a sports car. I'm gonna use my turn signal. But like I said, guys, there's too many red lights. I wish I could give you, I'm gonna give you guys a better drive, but this was just kind of like a talk video and just to chill. But let me do one pool. All right, guys.